What are the steps to recover text messages on my iPhone from a certain date?
Hello, iPhone users. Do you need to recover some important text messages from a specific date on your iPhone? Don't worry, we're here to help. In this video, we will guide you through the process of recovering your text messages, all by yourself. The main tool we'll use is iCloud, so make sure you have your Apple ID and password ready.
What should I do before recovering text messages?
Before starting the recovery process, it's crucial that you check your iCloud backup. Remember that Apple automatically backs up your data, including text messages, whenever your iPhone is plugged in, locked, and connected to Wi-Fi. But it's always a good idea to ensure that the backup is up to date before proceeding. 1. Go to the Settings app on your iPhone. 2. Tap your Apple ID at the top. 3. Select iCloud. 4. Scroll down to find iCloud Backup and tap on it. 5. You'll see the date of your last backup here.
How do I recover text messages?
Now, let's get started on recovering those text messages. It's important to note that this process will restore your iPhone to the state it was in at the date of the backup. This means you may lose data and changes made after the backup date. 1. First, go to the Settings app. 2. Tap on General. 3. Scroll down and select Reset. 4. Choose Erase all content and settings. Make sure to back up any important recent data before doing this. 5. Your iPhone will restart. Follow the prompts until you reach the Apps and Data screen. 6. Select Restore from iCloud Backup. 7. Sign in with your Apple ID and password. 8. Choose a backup. Look at the dates and sizes of each backup and select the one that should contain the texts you're looking for. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you'll be able to recover your text messages from a specific date. Please note that this process can take a while depending on the size of the backup and the speed of your internet connection, so make sure to keep your iPhone connected to Wi-Fi and powered up. We hope this video was helpful to you. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching.